Hi, my name is James. I'm in the Network and Systems Administrator program here at MITT. While I was choosing between schools and colleges and universities, MITT was on the list, but it wasn't until a family member of mine who actually went told me about it, about his experience and how he was treated and how genuine the people were there. The course itself, it's deep. There's a lot of technical knowledge that needs to be known. The teachers really listen, and I find that I can be really honest about how I feel about something, and they are more supportive and they don't get offended. We've been told not to be afraid to make mistakes, and so when we do, and we finally solve them, it's been like fuel for the next issue that we run into. I find that the experience I've had here at MITT is that my teachers and even my classmates care about me succeeding. If you want to learn from people who care about how you do, this is a great college for that.